How to allow Messenger access your photos and videos on iPhone and Android. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can allow Messenger access your photos and videos in iPhone and Android. I'm doing it in iPhone, but if you're having Android, you can follow similar steps and I'll tell you what steps would be different. So when you open a Messenger chat and you're trying to send a photo, but it says that access your photos and videos, Messenger uses your device photo library from your camera roll so that you can do things such as sharing photos and videos. But here you can see that your Messenger doesn't really has an access to your phone gallery. So in order to give that access, what you're going to do is head over to your phone settings. Now here I'm on my phone settings. What you're going to do is scroll all the way down till you find the option that says apps. If you're using Android, you also need to find the option of apps. And here you're going to search for Messenger. So just scroll down till you find Messenger, and here is Messenger. So you can just click on it. And again, if you're using Android, the step is same. Within Android, you'll be able to see an option of permissions. So you can just click on that and you'll be able to see an interface like this. And over here, what you're going to do is find the option of photos. So just click on photos, and here you can see that the access is none. And there are three options. Either you can give none access or limited access, that selected photos and add access, or full access. That is the total number of photos and videos you have on your phone right now. So I want my Messenger to get full access. So I'm going to click on full access, and here it will ask me that give Messenger full access to your photo library, and photo may contain data associated with location, depth information, captions, and audio. So you're going to click on allow full access. So once you do that, you can go back to your Messenger. And this time when I click on this photo icon, you'll be able to see that you have gotten the access to your photos. So that is basically how you can allow Messenger access your photos and videos. So if you found this very helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.